Працягваем праходзіць GTA в Сан-Андрэас на платінавы трафей. На жаль, чамусьці папярэдняе прывітанне маё прырвалася. Таму лічыце, што нічога не было, я проста загрузіў гульню па новай. Цудоўна, яна ёсць дома. Як я падпрыгнуў толькі што? Я як толькі гэта зрабіў? Не разумею, як гэта працуе. Все одно до холеры.
Hi, Carl.
Hey, pretty lady.
Hey, young man. Let's go and get some food.
No problem if that's what you want.
Let's get some food. На жаль, у нас вельмі нізкі процент у Барбары. Таму, магчыма, мы сёння будзем шмат сохраняцца, каб выканаць яе місію. І как атрымаць костюм полицейского. Вось. Але будем рабіць лепшае, што мы можем падтрымаць. У сэнсе слоудаун. У мяне не трэба, калі я яго зарабіў. Ты ведаеш, як яго было цяжка зрабіць? 50 пераможак. У адрозненне ад арыгіналу. Зрабіць трэба. $50, Карл. Не 100.
Thank you, CJ. That was wonderful.
Тримай кветки. Треба,
I've
не?
had a great time, but I need to get back now.
Тримай кветки, потом поедем обратно.
Oh, Carl, how thoughtful.
Шариф, а у вас у гэтым округе не павялічилась кара мотоциклов? Не бачила таких выпадков? Как у когось мотоцикл зник? Ну, стоял так на парковке каля ресторана, а потом куда-то изник. Никто не звертался до вас? Шериф. А коли я її застрелю, це буде гучати пісня Боба Марлі? I shot the sheriff.
I'll call.
Later on, girl.
Тут ще мотоцикли припадають, напевно. Суми. Зумер. Хто зумер учасник? Плюс. Ставте плюс. Так само подобайку. І напишіть який-небудь комент. Мені буде приємно. Так, куди ми їдемо? Ми їдемо до Тені Пенні. Не до Тені Пенні. А до Майка Тарена. Хто ведає гітариста Майка Тарена? Не гітариста, а барабанщика. Так само ставте плюс і час.
I was having really dark thoughts. I wanted to sleep with my mother. Now that I've done it, I don't want to anymore.
Incredible! But, you know, it works. That's inversion therapy. Fear it, face it, do it, conquer it! Got it? Listen again.
Yeah, okay. I was terrified of my children being harmed, so I stabbed them. Didn't hurt me that much. Yeah, now I'm not afraid of anything.
That's another life saved! Woo! Inversion therapy works! I know. When you take your fear head on, then it's time to move on. I'm Darius Fontaine.
Блин, это значок сохранения все перекрывает.
Promise. Call 1-866-FACE-FEAR.
Roger that, big monkey. I got a 13-6 fat vulture. Need to acquire a drowning baby. Over. But in 15 by the fat moon. Break your heart. Over and out. Carl, I need you to do me a favor.
Yeah, I'll do you a proper injury, man. What you knowing about my brother?
Relax. He's in prison upstate. D-Wing, cell 13. To the left, I got a child killer who wants to rip his throat out. To the right of him, I got a white supremacist who wants to eat his heart, to be precise. Now, don't worry. Tenpenny and Pulaski are really relatively benign, unless, of course, you're a family member of Officer Pendlebury, whom they shot when he threatened to expose them, but you do know all about that, right?
Dang. Hey, man, how you know all this stuff, man? And won't you stop it?
You just don't understand, do you, kid? Look, it's all white knights and heroes. We have to make decisions, kid. You know, I try to set bad people on other bad people, and sometimes I let good guys die. He's your brother, but to me, he's just collateral. It's a very delicate decision. Over here, you got all the scumbags inside the country. And over here, you got all the scumbags outside the country. And me and my colleagues, we're the fucking pivot. Keep the government in work. Which reminds me, come here, okay? I need you to head over here in the buggy outside, okay? Okay, let off a flare. We got some precious cargo needs collecting.
Hey, hold up. What about my brother and all that shit you was talking about?
Hey, don't worry. Sweet's just fine. He gets touched. A prison guard goes home and finds that his wife and kid have been murdered. Everything's under control. We'll talk later. Now, come on, get out of here.
Мой мотоцикл сник. Поедем на БФ инъекции. Чому я не перекулилась? У меня ж все добре з навиком керування. Так не повинно було триматися. Поедем коротейшим маршрутом. Ось так, да. И ухожу. Ось. Судовно. На дамбе кветки есть.
Cars and bands have a lot in common. A real man leaves his mark, like a stallion.
But I mean, I smell it, but I don't say anything. And he just rolls down the window and acts like it's all cool. Well, it's not cool. Why do men have the...
Jesus, what took you?
Torino, where you at?
Miles away. No time for niceties, kid. Choose a vehicle, grab the equipment I've provided, get to that drop zone, and wait for that package.
Ну что у меня? Огнемет. Так, липий. А есть сейчас что-нибудь? Нема. Ладно. Я возьму мотоцикл. Ведаешь, что я сейчас люблю? Возьму бандита. Поставлю его сюда. See ya. See ya. See ya. Так, ну першая спроба яка місія. Не виконую. Це немаксимо.
That's our
Yeah.
cargo arriving now.
Jesus, will you stop doing that?
I always be watching or listening or both.
Hold up. Shit, pilot says he's got trouble. 2 agency choppers coming in on an intercept. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Shoot them down. Protect the cargo at all costs.
Protect the cargo with all cost. Так, давайте попробуем. Где другие вертолеты? Ну как так, ну? А вы что тут робите, дебилы? Вас сюда никто не звал. Там здесь нечто взрывается. Так, мне сдается, меня в спину зараз будет стрелять.
Blame society, fool.
Где мой мотоцикл? Блин, а тут здесь аптечка была, напевно. Не малко. Здесь просто плюс аптечка. Аптечку возьмем.
Hey, look here. Is those hot pants you got on, baby? I'm gonna give myself a 5-finger discount. Bobby Bird knows how to do it, and if you need to know how to do it, you wait for Johnny's book. Don't get the pages off.
Лиц не забился. Ой-ой, копы едут. Копы, только не стреляйте, коли у вас копоколётный. Дякую.
Hey, bend down and give me a kiss, baby. So red to prove the funky, so it's all good all day.
Я ж вам вот не перепрыгнул через его. А что вы фотографуете-то? Чувака, есть что позрять?
giving me the heebie-jeebies, man.
Carl, I will always be watching, or listening, or both.
I will always be watching or listening or both.
You want me to stop, huh?
Вот эти маракушки, не памяти. Нема.
We're back. I was digging something out of my teeth. Eating raw meat is so tasty. Especially human flesh. I bet the lot of you couldn't cook a pot of beans on an open campfire. When the cities go up in flames and we're back to our
Блин, як я на камері дренно зробив вот этой хуйни.
shucking corn and killing small animals with your
Я не ведаю, мне здається, я на какую-то помылку хотели выправить. А замість этого зробили некую помылку с камерой.
Come on, tough guy. No problem, partner.
Так тоже працює, я не веду в этом. Так, ну давай шукать. Не масса. Не маракушки. А где она есть? А где есть ракушка?
You keep it locked on this station, honey, or your mama Mary Beth will give you a spanking that will knock you out of your boots. I've done it before. Trust me.
Десь на дамбе наповно було. Чому так він резко останавливается? Это некие баги хуйни. Ну можна ось так не робити, коли вас. Дякую. Под мостом под тим, напевно, буде. Что ж это за эффект такие? Не зрозуміло. Чому кукол нема ніяких? На той пристани є. На пам'яті. Дробовик. Але мне не потребен. Не так уж и добрым. Это 100% некий эффект за вертолетом, але ну некий дренно зробленный. Там с свояком не есть райд. А кольки пулем? 118. И стрелять, не буду подбирать. Где дома нема? Двадцать два девять. Блин, не розумію, на катематі знаходжусь. Я не відаю, який дом мені потрібен. Напевно, это. Да, так, это. Я що, догребу это? Где мой вертолет? Крали вертолет. Варьятство. Просто взяли и скрали вертолет. Нельзя ж так робить. Только пропади.
Hey, babe.
Hey, sexy lady.
How about a nice romantic meal?
All right, for sure.
Watch where
Nice
you're going,
romantic
citizen.
meal.
What's the holdup?
А что на ком доброй машине? Ладно. Привык так перевей.
This is a nice place.
Барбара,
You
у вас
better
тут
respect me, Carl, or
в
you'll be
городку
Keep talking.
мотоцикл крадут. А ты ни слухом, ни духом. Что же это за шарик-то? Якому плевать на то, что крадут мотоцикл. Я б на месте твоих шоферов выбрал бы другого шерифа.
My husband called me a control freak.
Oh, why?
Let's rock and roll people the way we want it.
Тобі
This
є
is
мозг?
my time. Just get out of the way.
Ну, тоді все зрозуміло. Чому тобі плевать?
I've eaten myself to bliss.
Наплевать, наплевать.
Okay. CJ, would you mind taking me home? We had
Ты
a
мали
plane crash over by
пиквет.
the Big Ear.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Is this a police bribe, honey?
Нет, целоваться не будем. Ну чому фривей? Ну, тут же Санчес попередний раз стоял. Ну,
I could shoot you and no one would say a thing.
This is so interesting. I'm just gonna listen.
Sexy body. Move your body.
Hey, open your eyes, you damn retard.
I'm having this bite.
I've been wearing leather pants for 17 years now, non-stop.
а вы точно шериф?
And ask yourself, can we still be friends?
Не. Но не так не. Настаивать не буду.
married to a real bastard.
Keep talking.
The desert in Bone County. It's ashes.
We'll go out sometime soon, yeah?
Yeah.
See you around, girl.
Get away from something. Everyone does. Let's face it, the Midwest is full of retards. That's why we've got the fastest growing
30% зараз повинно бути. 50-60% гульню прийшли. Так, 30%. Тут это мало.
You used to be a dork, but you moved here. And
Квет.
suddenly you're cool.
Забыл
San
про квет.
Andreas is a land where you can be who you want to be. Change your name. Come out. Lie about your age. Form your own religion. Call yourself an actor with wait tables. It just doesn't matter out here. Everybody's at it. Until the awful moment old friends or family come. The things you need to alienate your family quick. They'll never think of visiting you again. Select from a list of weird religions that involve burning things, singing children's songs backwards, and loads of television worship. We'll select a member of another race or life form for you to claim as your soulmate, and your dietary habits will go Pacific too. People come to San Andreas to escape their past. We'll help you lose contact with friends and family fast. Janice, it's time to invent the new you.
I think you're gonna love this record if you got any balls. This is Foghat.
Угу. Если это забастон не спрыгнул. Мотоцикл потопился. Судовно. Я ще й мостом подмолився, так? Не потрібен був повинен не потрібен був наступний мост. Под гэтым нічого нема. І мотоцикл я свой потопив. Так. Я слышал, як він булькнув. Или я его не бачу? Вон. Значит, потопил. Эти вылезу тут нового. Я вылезу. Судовный мост. Нам усі зайти в гості.
Give me that fucking bike.
A wise man once said, try not to get overly attached to a hypothesis just because it's yours. My hypothesis is correct.
Shit, damn!
Тим легких може сотку треба докачати. Я вылазь, я допомогу. У меня есть медицинский костюм в доме, мог сказать. Я вот не памятаю, что я взял вот тут. Повинен был взять. Да я не памятаю. Его куртку. Нема. Виглядає би це би нема. Напевно взяв, але не пам'ятаю где. Напевно, коли перший раз їхав до моєї таверни, тоді і взяв.
It's amazing.
What's up now, Torino?
This history, it's all lies. It says Hitler killed himself, and that we nuked Japan. And people believe this shit. Jesus. Well, if it makes them sleep better at night, I guess.
Hey, man, what did you want? Is you gonna free my brother?
No, not now. And here's a little news flash. I said that to get you to do something for me.
Man, you real fucked up.
But the shocker is, we are gonna look after him. Because I need him alive as much as you do.
Oh, thanks.
You know, after what you've done for me, it's like you're a pro now. I got double agents in Panama. I want to put a price on your head. A Russian spy, little fat Boris-looking guy. He's asking for clearance to interrogate you. Russian style. Calipers on the genitals. Feels good. You'd like it.
That ain't nothing cool, man. Just leave me alone. You bad news.
Don't worry about it. The Russians got bigger things to worry about than your genitals, believe me. The whole country went to shit. You know, we tried hard to put a lid on it, but that idiot Gorbachev with his little strawberry in his forehead, he gave away the crown jewels. Still, they got their, you know, their boy in the White House. That was nice.
So? What you want me to do?
Now listen, I need you to buy me some property, okay? Shouldn't cost that much. You offer them $1. If they give you a hard time, kill them. I'm gonna need you to start doing some real wet work here for me soon, okay? Enough of this little girl bullshit. Now get out of here. Come on, beat it.